Hi everyone, James, G0SEC here again, and thought I'd just do a quick video here, hopefully quick, on the new weather station. It's just been installed. It's took me quite a while, and the other day this didn't look like this. I can assure you. Had this cut out here, and there's 3 power cables going up to the that controls all this, the weather station here, and it's all alarmed and everything. So if the wind gets up, the tower eventually will come down. The weather station itself looks a bit pinky in the video, but it's actually a dead red. But in the video, for some reason, it comes out pink. And as you can see, strongest wind today is 32 miles an hour. At the moment, it's only about 3.5 miles an hour to 4 miles an hour, something like that. And the temperature at the moment is 16.3. But early in the morning, it's about 2 in the morning. I woke up and just decided to do a video. I couldn't sleep. I was in a little bit of pain because of my condition, so I thought, what the hell, let's do a video. Lowest temperature 15.7, so even that night though, 2 in the morning, that's quite warm for the UK, 16 degrees. And the other night it was actually 19 degrees, and it was about, I think, 12:30, 1 in the morning, so crazy, absolutely crazy. But the weather station's done. The electric winch, there's a box that's going to go above here, but it should be for the electric winch. There's another one here that would be for the electric winch. And there'll be also a remote that I'll have in the shack. So the great thing about this weather station, it will work with software, and I can set an alarm on here, so if it gets too windy I can set it so on the actual control box itself I can set the alarm, so if it obviously triggers and it's like, I don't know, blowing 40-50 mile an hour, the great thing is the winch will kick in and it will drop the tower down for me automatically. So and it took me a long time to figure out how to do that, but I've managed to do it, and it's going to work. So that's hopefully going to be installed around December time, or if not, it might linger into next year. So that's not a sort of priority. The priority is to get the shack done at the moment. And I'm really pleased about these bearing the wires in the wall. I've got to do this here for the G0SEC. The G0SEC will be here, as you know, in my previous videos. And the G0SEC is going to have no wires going to it, so it's going to be about, I don't know, a conduit like this. I think it's got 4 cables going to it, because it's an OLED 4K TV, as well as the G0SEC. I can switch it across. So it's always nice to have the TV in the shack, sort of thing. So, but I've still got a lot to do, guys. And look, here's the mess. Here's just to prove it when you see my shack in the future, and you think, God, what a shack. It wasn't always like that, you know. It takes hard work, and I've designed all of it myself. It's been a lot of hard work, and most of it I actually built while I was not very well at all. I had to just do like 15-20 minutes here and there. It's taken an awful long time. It's taken 1.5 years just to get it this far, so it's getting there now. It's starting to take shape, and that's the main thing. And for me, that's like, oh, thank God for that. The next job for me is do the uprights for the first shelving. And like I showed you in a previous video, I got to do the template for the shelving, which is going to all match this nice curve that goes around the desk and stuff. So that's the next job, guys. Anyway, I'll say 7 frees for now. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't seen them before, do subscribe. Love to have my subscribers, and thanks for all your lovely messages. It's I get such great emails and great messages from you. I got loads of emails from people asking what I do for a living, to I don't know, coax I use, you name it, I get them every day, so I really appreciate it. 7 frees for now, and all the best. Bye bye for now.